Hi, I'm Michael, and I work as a Customer Success Manager at ReasonLabs. ReasonLabs provides enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. You're welcome to visit our website to discover more information about our products and services. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to uninstall Safer Web from your Windows computer. As you can see, Safer Web is already installed on the device. Safer Web ensures a safe browsing experience, blocking unwanted advertisements, trackers, and suspicious URLs. Now, we'll proceed with the uninstall process. First, click Start on the lower left corner of your screen. Then on the Start menu, click on Settings and select Apps. Search the app list by typing Safer Web in the search box. Click on the icon Safer Web and press the Uninstall button. You may be asked to allow the program to make changes. Press Yes if such a question appears. Then press Uninstall again and confirm your choice. It's important that you do not turn off your device until this process is finished. When the uninstallation process is complete, you will see that Safer Web has been completely removed from your desktop. If you'd like to reinstall Safer Web for a safe, secure internet experience, please click the link below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.